चैप्टर 6 द सदर्न प्लेट्यू। आज हम लोग सदर्न प्लेट्यू के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। प्लेट्यू क्या होता है? एक फ्लैट एरिया होता है जो थोड़ा रॉकी और अनइवन भी होता है, और जो आसपास की जगह हैं, द सराउंडिंग एरियाज, फ्रॉम दैट एरिया द प्लेट्यू रीजन इज़ अ लिटिल हायर। ओके, सो हम लोग आज सदर्न प्लेट्यू के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और इसमें क्या क्या स्टेट्स हैं, ऐसे कौन कौन से स्टेट्स हैं जो प्लेटो रीजन में है और कहाँ तक ये एक्सटेंड करते हैं, उसकी उन जगह में उनका कंडीशंस कैसा है और वहाँ पे कैसे लोग रहते हैं, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, इसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। सो फर्स्ट द प्लेटो रीजन, द एंटायर सदर्न पेनिनसुला ऑफ इंडिया साउथ ऑफ द नर्मदा रिवर is like a high triangular tableland. The plateau comprises most of the southern part of India. तो ये एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप का रीजन होता है और ये मोस्टली जो सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया है वहाँ पे ये प्लेटो रीजन कंसिस्ट करता है. इट राइजेस अप टू 100 मीटर इन द नॉर्थ एंड ऑलमोस्ट 1000 मीटर इन द साउथ, मेकिंग इट अ ट्रायंगुलर प्लेटो. The southern plateau stretches over 8 states in India. जो southern part of the plateau है उसमें 8 states हैं, which include most of the central and southern Indian regions. Towards the north lie the Vindhya and the Satpura mountain ranges. The western and the eastern sides are bordered by the western and eastern Ghats respectively. The peninsular plateau can be broadly divided into two parts. So हम लोग जो प्लेटो रीजन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसको दो भागों में भाग किया जा सकता है, द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स एंड द डेक्कन प्लेटो. पहले हम लोग सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स के बारे में जानेंगे. सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स लाई अबव द रिवर नर्मदा. दे आर सराउंडेड बाय द अरावली हिल्स इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट, द विंध्या रेंज इन द साउथ एंड द छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो towards the east. Malwa Plateau and Bundelkhand Plateau lie between the Aravalli and Vindhya range. The Chota Nagpur Plateau includes the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The region is very rich in minerals. अब आता है डेक्कन प्लेटो. डेक्कन प्लेटो includes section of the states of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Remains of volcanic lava beds have been found in this area. Volcanic lava bed जो है volcanic region, ये यहाँ पे मिलता है. As a result, black soil is found in this region. क्योंकि ये जगह volcanic है तो यहाँ पे black soil मिलता है. This soil bed may have been formed million of years ago. बहुत साल पहले ये soil bed यहाँ पे form हुआ है. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Western Ghats on the west, Eastern Ghats on the east, and the Nilgiri Hills on the south. To the northern side of the Deccan Plateau lies the Satpura Range and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Eastern Ghats, जिसको पूर्व घाट भी बोल सकते हैं, are a discontinuous range of hills running parallel to the eastern coastal plains. It is cut by several rivers. On the other hand, Western Ghats, जिसको सह्याद्रीज भी बोल सकते हैं, run parallel to the western coastal plains. Majority of the rivers in the Deccan Plateau flow from west to east and end in the Bay of Bengal. This happens because most of the land in the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. अब ये जो Deccan Plateau का जो land है ये sloping है, मतलब थोड़ा sliding types है, तो वेस्ट टू ईस्ट की तरह स्लोप करता है. तो जो रिवर्स हैं वो इसी तरह से बहती हैं और जाके फिर वो बे ऑफ बंगाल में एंड करती है. बे ऑफ बंगाल ईस्टर्न रीजन में है, ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया पे है. दिस रीजन इज ड्रेन्ड बाय अ नंबर ऑफ रिवर्स, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, महानदी, कावेरी, तुंगभद्रा, भीमा एंड इंद्रावती. The two major rivers that do not pour into the Bay of Bengal are तापी and नर्मदा. सिर्फ ये दो जो नदियाँ हैं तापी नर्मदा, ये बे ऑफ बंगाल में जाके नहीं गिरती. These rivers flow westwards and fall into the Arabian Sea. कितना इंटरेस्टिंग ज्योग्राफी है. ये दो रिवर जाके बे ऑफ बंगाल में नहीं गिरती, वो वेस्टवर्ड्स फिर फ्लो करती हैं और जाके अरेबियन सी में गिरती हैं. कौन कौन? तापी और नर्मदा. मोस्ट ऑफ द रिवर्स ऑफ दिस रीजन आर रेन फेड. एज अ रिजल्ट irrigation is uneven. The rivers in this region flow at a great speed. Since the landform is uneven, they form a number of waterfalls. तो ये जो लैंडफॉर्म है प्लेटो रीजन का, ये काफ़ी, इसमें काफ़ी बरसात होती है, उसके द्वारा ही मतलब रिवर्स में पानी आता है, पर इरिगेशन भी अनइवन हो जाती है क्योंकि उसका लैंड थोड़ा अनइवन है. इरिगेशन तो रिवर्स जो है इन दिस रीजन वो काफ़ी ग्रेट स्पीड से भी फ्लो करती हैं, और क्योंकि ये लैंड अनइवन है तो काफ़ी सारे वाटरफॉल्स यहाँ पे देखने को मिलती है. द जोग फॉल्स ऑन द शरावती रिवर इन कर्नाटका इज़ वन ऑफ द हाइएस्ट वाटरफॉल्स इन इंडिया. द वॉल्केनिक ब्लैक सॉइल इज़ गुड फॉर कल्टिवेशन ऑफ कॉटन, मिलेट्स, ऑयल सीड्स, टी एंड कॉफ़ी. Red soil is also found in this region, mainly in parts of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. The southern plateau receives rainfall during monsoons from June to October. It receives very heavy rainfall. From March to June, the region experiences very hot climate with temperature even above 40 degrees Celsius. The months between November and February experience winter. The Western Ghats include a large number of hills such as Cardamom, Nilgiri, Sahyadri and Annamalai. The Annamundi mountain in the Nilgiri hills is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau. Some of the important cities which fall in this region are Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore. The forests in this region have a wide variety of flora and fauna. Nilgai, black buck, leopard, boar, sambar, elephant and spotted deer are the main animals found in this forest. The Deccan Plateau is densely populated. This region is rich in minerals like iron ore and mica. Gold, diamond and other precious metals are found in the Golconda area in Andhra Pradesh. Tribals. Ancient inhabitants are unique to this region. More than 30 tribes are found here. These tribes have their own unique culture, music, dance, dress, food and rituals. Some of the tribes are Gond, Halba, Kol and Muria. The Deccan Plateau covers the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Let us learn more about the states in the Deccan Plateau. पहला स्टेट हम पढ़ेंगे मध्य प्रदेश. It is located in central India, surrounded by the states of Gujarat in the west, Chhattisgarh in the east, Maharashtra in the south, Rajasthan in the northwest and Uttar Pradesh in the northeast. The capital is Bhopal. Rivers are Tapi, Chambal, Narmada, Betwa and Son. Languages: Hindi, Urdu, Malvi, Bundeli are the main languages of the state. Traditional dress: men wear dhoti kurta, kurta pajama. Women wear sari, salwar kameez and lehenga choli. Music and dance: Lota, Manch, Gaur, Maria are the popular dance forms of the state. Festivals celebrated are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Festival of Gwalior and Khajuraho Festival of Dance and Music are celebrated here. Occupation: agriculture, block printing, paper mache, lacquer work, chanderi and maheshwari sari provide jobs to the people. The main crops grown here are wheat, cotton, rice, jowar, maize, peas, beans, lentils, peanuts and linseed. Chemical, rubber, leather, forest-based industries, pharmaceuticals, diamond and emerald mining, textile, electronics and food processing are major industries of the state. Tourism: Kanha National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Khajuraho Temple, Mandu, Gandhi Sagar Dam, Pench National Park, Ocha and Ujjain. These are the well-known tourist spots in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Important cities are Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur and Panchmadi. Coming to Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is surrounded by the state of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra in the west, Odisha in the east, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh in the north. It is a landlocked state. Capital is Raipur. River is Mahanadi, is the most important river of the state. Waterfalls like Chitrakoot, Tirathgarh and Mandava are located here. Languages spoken are Hindi, Chhattisgarhi. Tribal languages such as Halbi and Gondi are also spoken. Dress: men wear dhoti kurta, lungi kurta, pajama kurta. Women wear heavy jewelry, colorful saris with a silver waistband called kardhani. Music: dance, Raut Nacha, Pandavani, Panthi are popular. Folk music and folk songs are there for every occasion. Occupation: farming is the main occupation. Bastar, Dashera, Bastar Lokotsav, Teej, Pola and Diwali are the main festival of Chhattisgarh. The main crops of Chhattisgarh are rice, linseed, betel nut and watermelon. Bhilai steel plant, mining of coal, iron and manganese, metal craft, jewelry, painting, wood carving, bamboo work, furniture, terracotta and jewelry provide jobs to people. Tourism: Kailash and Kutumsar caves, Kangar Valley National Park, Kavardha Palace and Sirpur are famous spots. Important cities are Bilaspur, Korba, Durg, Rajgarh, Dantewada and Rajnandgaon are important cities of the state. Next state is Jharkhand. It is surrounded by the states of Bihar in the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the west, Odisha in the south and West Bengal in the east. The capital is Ranchi. Rivers are Damodar, Koyal, Brahmani, Khadkai and Subarna Rekha. Waterfalls like Chitradhara and Tamda are located here. Languages spoken are Hindi, Santhali, Mundari, Ho, Bengali, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Magadhi. Traditional dress: men wear dhotis and bright colorful tribal dresses with attractive headgears. Women wear white colored saris and a lot of jewelry. Dance: Chhau, Paika and Jhumar are popular dance form of the state. Festivals: Jitiya Puja, Karma Puja, Tusu Fair or Posh Mela. Harvest Festival, which is the Harvest Festival, Posh Mela. Holi, Chhat Puja, Baha and Magha Parab are celebrated. Occupation: agriculture, livestock farming for food, wool and dairy products. Mining of iron ore, copper, mica, bauxite, graphite, limestone and uranium are the main occupation of the people. The main crops are maize, rice, wheat, chickpea, jowar, bajra, rapeseed, linseed and mustard. Bokaro Steel Plant, Explosives Factory at Gomia, Tata Steel Plant, Imperial Chemical Industries, art and craft industries such as woodcraft, bamboo craft, Paitkar paintings and metal works are the main industries of the state. Tourism is Betla National Park, Palamau Tiger Reserve and Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary are popular tourist destinations in Jharkhand. Important cities are Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Dhanbad and Hazaribagh are major cities of the state. Tribes: some of the tribes present in Jharkhand are Santhal, Munda, Ho and Oraon.